Good morning, students. Now here we continue with the problems based on the sum of the first n terms of an GP. Now the formula to find the sum of the first n terms of an GP is given by what? Sn is equals to a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r if r is greater than 1. If r is less than 1. And Sn is equals to a into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. So these are the two formulas. Sn is equals to a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r if r is less than 1, and Sn is equals to a into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. Now here, in the last class we have seen one problem. Now, find the sum of the first 6 terms of the GP. 1, 2, 4, 8 and so on. So first we have to check whether it is an GP or not. The first term here is 1. Multiply the first term by 2, you get 2. Multiply the second term by 2, you get 4 as the third term. So this is an GP. So here r is equals to 2. So here first 6 terms, sum of the first 6 terms of an GP, if you want to find. So here r is greater than 2. So the formula that you are going to apply will be Sn is equals to a into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Now, Sn is equals to S6, that is the sum of the first 6 terms of an GP. That will be the sum of the first 6 terms of an GP. So this will be r is 2 raised to 6 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So S6 is equals to, now 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 raised to 6 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. 64 minus 1 is 64 minus 1. So S6 will be equal to 63. Now we shall check this. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. These are 4 terms plus 16 plus 32. When you add these, the sum that you should get is 63. The sum that you will be getting is 63. So this is how you apply this formula. Now given a GP, now there are other types of problems that you will be seeing now. Now the problem is how many terms, that is finding the value of n. Now the problems which are based on finding the value of n. How many terms of the GP? The GP is given 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4 and so on are needed. How many terms are needed to give this sum 3069 divided by 512? So here Sn value is given to you. Sn value is given to you. You need to find the value of n. Here if you look at this GP, now here the sum when you add it should give you 3069 divided by 512. 3069 divided by 512. So the first term here is 3. R is equals to 3 by 2 divided by 3. That will be 1 by 2. The value of R is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is less than 1. Remember, 1 by 2 is less than 1. Here you need to find the value of n. So the value of n is how much? So here a is 3, r is 1 by 2, and here you need to find, and Sn is given to be 3069 divided by 512. 3069 divided by 512. Which is the formula you have to apply? Here the value of r is less than 1. So Sn is equals to a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. So Sn is 3069 divided by 512 is equals to 3 into 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. Understand these steps? Here I am substituting the value of r. So 3069 divided by 512 is equals to 3 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2 raised to n divided by 2 is the LCM, 2 minus 1 is 1, so it is 1 by 2. So 3069 divided by 512 will be equal to 6 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2 raised to n. 3069 divided by 512 into 6 is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 2 raised to n. So 6 ones are 6, no. Now 3069 divided by 512 into 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 threes are. So 1023 divided by 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 1024 minus 1. When you transfer it is equals to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to n. So I continue here. Now 1023 minus 1024 divided by 1024 is equals to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to n. Minus 1 divided by 1024 is equals to minus 1. That's it. Note this step. Here 3069 divided by 512 into 6. I have multiplied it by 3. Right? So it is 3 twos are 3 ones are 1000. So 1512 into 2. Here I have taken the LCM. This one I have transferred it to the other side. So it is 1024. So it is minus. So this relation gives you 2 raised to n is equals to 1024. So which value, which raised to power of n gives you 1024? It is n is equals to 10. So there are 10 this thing that you have to do it by inspection method. By inspection. Now one of the hints here is if the last term is a multiple of 2. Here the last term is a multiple of 2. So here you go on multiplying by 2 each term, right? That we have seen. So just we shall check it. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 32 into 2 is 64. 64 into 2 is 128. 128 into 2 is 2 is 16. 2 twos are 4. 4 5. 2 twos are 4. 256 into 2. 256 into 2. 6 twos are 12. 2 carry over. 2 fives are 10. Again 12. 2 here. 2 twos are 4. 6 into 2. 622 you get. Is it not? 6 twos are 12. 2 fives are 10. 2 added. So 4. No. Here When you try this, 2 raised to 10, we shall check it once again here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 into this is 4. This will be 4. 4, 4, 4. This is 16. This will be 16 into 4. When you try this, you will be getting 1024. So this is how you solve this problem. So in the next class, I will continue with the